Bombs away. Morning guys, so today we're going to look at heading to the Mele Cascade Waterfalls. There's a bit of a hike getting up to the waterfalls as well. Going to have some lunch there, bit of a swim, and then after that we're going to head around the island again and then head to the Vanuatu handicraft market, grab a few bits and pieces and have another jam-packed day. We'll see you out there. Back on the streets of Port Vila, Efate Island, Vanuatu. Check out this baby. And it's 3.5 million VT, which is around 60 grand New Zealand. Come on.
Kia ora, welcome to Vanuatu.
Check out the fish, guys. Got to cross the stream, grab a hold of this rope so we can get to the other side. Seems like we're walking through some intense jungle flora and fauna. Waterfall's just up ahead, guys. Check out this pool, guys. Whoa, that blue tinge. Check this out, guys. Me and the sister have got the whole Mele Cascade Waterfalls to ourselves. No one's around. And up this way is the actual waterfall. Right there. Sister's gone up, but we've got the whole Cascade Waterfalls to ourselves, so I'm going to look for somewhere to go and have a swim. Honestly fams, Mele Cascade Waterfalls is a must to do if you guys ever come here to Vanuatu. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And me and my sister, we've got the whole waterfalls to ourselves. No one's around, no tourists are around. Awesome! The other beautiful thing is there is some small little fish here in the ponds and the lagoons here, and they're doing some pedicures on your feet. So they eat like dead skin and stuff like that. Now when I went to Italy last year, in Italy they were charging like 25 euros for only 2 minutes to get your feet pedicured by these small little fish. Here it's free and you get it done naturally. Awesome! So I've been getting the pedicure done. So anyone that wants to come here to Vanuatu, especially you guys, come and get your man pedicures done here. Come on! Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed those adventures today with us up at the Mele Cascade Waterfalls. We certainly enjoyed it, being the only ones there. And that's a tip for you if you ever come to Vanuatu. Don't go up there when the big cruise ships are in town, which are Sundays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Those days the Mele Cascade Waterfalls are jam-packed. Anyway, tomorrow we are heading over to the Secret Garden. We've got invited to check out a cultural performance. After that we're going to head to the Tana coffee shop, because we've heard that the Tana coffee shop's the best coffee shop in the whole Vanuatu Islands. And then we're heading to the Hideaway Island and go for a snorkel and check out the fish there. So pretty jam-packed day tomorrow. Thank you for joining us today and joining us on these journeys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Uanuku Journeys. I'm Woody Tamoni, aka DJ Wiz NZ. We'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to experience, inspire and live.